Let's learn Quizizz. Quizizz is another game-based learning application. When you get to the quizzes, you will be able to search for other quizzes teachers have made, see ones that have been recommended for you, and Quizizz games sorted by different content area. You can type in a game that you would like to search for, and you will see that how many games have been created under that topic. You can sort by most relevant, most played, most recent, also by grade level and subject area. You can also search in the top bar for Quizizz games from the entire Quizizz library, your library, or your reports. Under my library, these are Quizizz games I have created or that I have reused from other teachers. The Reports tab, after students have taken the Quizizz game, you can go to the Reports tab to get a report of how they did. The classes, you can create classes in Quizizz and link these to your Google Classroom classes or create them without Google Classroom. To create a new quiz, click the purple Create button. You can create a quiz game or a lesson. A lesson has embedded slides in it to teach as the Quizizz game is playing. We're going to create a regular quiz game. Give it a name and assign it a subject. Next, you have different question types. You can do a multiple choice where students only have one correct answer, a checkbox where students have multiple correct answers, fill in the blank, a poll with no correct answers, open-ended, or embed slides into your Quizizz game if you'd like to use the quizzes as a lesson. Let's do a regular multiple choice. When you write the question, you can italicize, underline, and put in symbols, plus add math equations. Put in your answer choices. And select which is correct. When you're finished, you can add a fun fact after the students get the answer correct, and then click Save. You can also add images instead of words to your quizzes. Also, you can add an image at the beginning with the question. Click Save. When you are finished with your Quizizz game and have added all your questions, click Done. And then select which grades this Quizizz game would be for. When you're ready to play the quizzes, you could do a live quiz game that would take place during a live Google Meet, or you can assign as homework. When you click Assign as homework, you'll need to give it a deadline. Because Quizizz only allows you to keep the game open for so many days, assign the Quizizz game as close to when the students would begin playing as possible, and then give it a deadline sometime in the future. The no deadline is an upgraded feature. Then you can assign it to a particular class. Or if you do not want to assign it to a particular class, click Continue. There are some other settings. You can allow as many attempts as you would like, or you can select how many attempts. If you do post this to Google Classroom and allow for unlimited or multiple attempts, each time the students play the game, you will get a notification that they resubmitted after each attempt. Show answers during the activity, show answers after. Power-ups are a fun feature with Quizizz. Power-ups, there's multiple ones that will randomly come up during the game. There's Double Jeopardy, 2 times points, 50-50, which eliminates half the points, and players earn these power-ups after they get so many questions correct. You can place a timer on the quizzes, show the leaderboard of who is in the lead, shuffle your questions or answers, allow for redemption questions after so many incorrect questions. They are allowed to redeem themselves, play music, and show funny memes after each question. You can choose random memes or select other sets. Once you click Continue, you can share the link with your students. You can just share the link or share it on Canvas. You can also assign here to a particular Google Classroom.